Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. 'Tis the season, and maybe you haven't sent your holiday cards yet? Well, in that case, there is still time. You can make your own cards and it's fun and it doesn't have to be hard to do either. All you need is some blank cards, a permanent marker like a Sharpie, and some gouache or crayons or markers, watercolors, whatever you have. I will also use this paint marker with gold acrylic ink for some extra festivity. Let's start with a simple message. Happy holidays! Write it down. Use your own hand lettering and write big. Play around with different types of lettering, big and small, block letters, curly letters. Then for an extra seasonal touch, add some snowflakes, or maybe they're stars. I'll take out that gold ink to add a little extra. You can use color markers or color pencils too, maybe green and red. And maybe you're like, yeah, but my handwriting sucks. Well, then draw. A peace dove is fairly easy to draw. Even if the shape is kind of plump or awkward, as soon as you add a beady eye and a little branch, everyone knows what it is. Add a little bit of color. I'll pick blue from my cheap gouache set, but again, you can use any tool you like to color with. Maybe you're like, you make it look so easy. I can't draw a dove like that. I get it. This one is doable for everyone. Just follow my lead. At 1/4 of the card, draw a curved line. Now add small squares equally divided over the line. Then draw ovals below those squares. Add a squiggly line in each oval. Add a few lines below each oval, and there you have it, sparkly party lights. Use a different color for each bulb. And you don't even need to color within the lines. If you paint a bit outside of the lines, it looks even more fun. See? Anyone can make a fun and festive greeting card. Pop it into an envelope, and before you send it, take a picture of it. I'd love to see what you make. So please share it in any social media channel you like, using the hashtags Sketchbook School and Draw Tip Tuesday, so we can see what you made. And I'll see you next week. Bye.